Pardon me?
Leave me alone.
Sorry, Feathers. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It sort of runs in the family, or jumps in the family, depending on
what do you want? Well, you might as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, I hope you feel better now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mind if I hop off and come back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see? I mean, connect the dots. It doesn't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got down in the mouth. Well, I'm getting nothing here, nothing. Come on, give us a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
Now that's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I've got a human in my throat. Well, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a beautiful princess in frog's clothing, and one day someone's going to come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. But then I say to myself, nah, who wants to snog a frog? You know what our trouble is?
No.
Our image isn't in vogue. It's a question of taste, that's all. But mark my words, one day ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport each season's look will fall flat on their... Ask your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya, someone's gonna love ya, warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you. Though I may look a bit Jurassic, trust me, I'm a classic in my pun. If this old frog no wooing time you had a wake up call, 'cause out there someone's gonna love ya, warts and all. your feathers, and remember, one day it'll be us who are the flavor of the month. What am I saying?
Goodbye, and thank you. If you find yourself passing by the duckyard, do call in. I'd love you to meet my family.
I hope you find them all right. Stay warm, stay cheerful. See ya. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.